2014 Nissan Sentra. It's getting a code P2122, P2138. And it's when you step on the gas pedal, it's barely responding. So most likely the problem is going to be the sensor in the pedal, but it comes as one assembly. So I'll show you guys how to remove that. Only tool you need is a 10mm. It's the gas pedal right here, and you have the sensor up there. You need to disconnect the battery terminals for this. So go ahead and do that. Once you have it disconnected, let's see if I can get more light right here. So you only have 2 bolts, 1, 2, and you have the connector up there. So let's go ahead and remove those 2 bolts. This one. The whole thing comes right off. And you got a wiring connector here. Let me see if I can get it with one hand while holding the camera. I have to put the phone down for 1 second. There it is. Right here. This is what the wiring harness looks like. So before you go and spend money on buying a new pedal, make sure you check the connection first and check the throttle body connector. Make sure it's not just loose or anything like that. So yeah, that's how you remove the gas pedal. Yep. That's it.